Our platform concentrates on providing the best trader experience ever. You'll find that our platform is user-friendly and self-explanatory and provides you with all you need to trade like a pro. We offer the largest range of assets for you to trade, including currencies, stocks, indices, and commodities, and expiries from 30 seconds to end of day, 1 week, or even year. All you have to do is choose the asset you want to trade, enter the amount you want to invest, and then click call if you believe that the price of the asset will rise above the current rate by expiry, or put if you believe that the price will fall below the current rate by expiry. Here you can see your payout, potential payout, and protected amount. In your open positions, you receive all the possibilities to maximize your chance of success.